Good afternoon. This is Chairman Sampson doing an update of what's been going on here on the Timber Lake Indian Reservation. And I've got today Donna Brown from the health clinic. She'll be going over the new data that we have on COVID. And Don will be doing an update on what's going to be going on throughout the summer. So with that, I'd like to turn it over to Donna at this time.
Hi, I'm Donna Brown from the health clinic, and today I wanted to report that as of 1:30 this afternoon, we have 44 positive cases. That's our total cases. Out of that, we have 23 that are active, 2 deaths, 1 hospitalized, and 17 recovered. And that's for all 3 of our communities, including our non-resident category that we added to it. I also wanted to touch base on, I think we had a lot of questions on our community-based testing results. And the state lab has been backlogged with that. And I know everybody's been calling about the results. However, they did get us the majority of the results yesterday. They faxed them to us. And I think a lot of you had received those hand-delivered to your homes. As of yesterday, we had a couple staff members doing that. So I appreciate y'all being home to get your results for that. I wanted to continue to remind everybody to please wear masks, please do the social distancing, please wash your hands, sanitize. And then one thing, as our weather's heating up, one thing is, if you're keeping the little sanitizing bottles in your car, we need to be careful that those can explode with the heat that's in your car. So we've had that happen, I think, in a couple of our vehicles already. So think about that there. I wanted to just let you guys know that y'all been seeing the work we've been doing on at the clinic, and things are happening there, and a lot of it's happening inside the building. But I just wanted to let you know that the clinic is in the process of standing up services, and that means another word for reopening, how we're going to reopen. But these services will not look like the clinic of the past as we work through this COVID pandemic. We ask that you be patient, as it is not easy to bring services back. Our clinic facility has and is undergoing some major facility changes for patient and staff safety that include traffic and parking control, and most importantly, infection control areas. And the entry point for care is, you all know to call the main number, the 574-1018, and you will be directed to the department that can address your needs. So when you come to the clinic, it'll be by appointment only, and there's no more walk-ins, and I don't think that's going to change till the end of the year. So when you come to the clinic, the front gate personnel will direct you where you need to go. Please make sure to listen and follow directions for everyone's safety. And again, the main number is 574-1018, and that's your main point of entry. And that's all I had.
Thank you, Donna, for that update. Again, we are beginning to see a rise within our communities with COVID-19. Last week we reported 41 cases. Now there's 44. Out of the 44, how many are actually active?
23.
We have 23 that are active. So again, we're going to have to continue, as she said, practicing those safe measures as we move forward through the summer. So basically, guys, we need to really step it up out there, okay? Don?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Don Pelch, our emergency manager. We don't have a lot of new information today in the Emergency Operations Center regarding the COVID, other than what's already been discussed. We do want you to know it is still open here at the tribal office, and we will continue to stay open as long as the pandemic is going on. But to add to that, I would like to remind everyone that summer is upon us. It's extremely hot out right now. Please, for all purposes, stay hydrated. It's very important that you drink a lot of water in this weather, and keep your health up, because getting diminished and dehydrated can lead to making you susceptible to the COVID virus. So please stay hydrated. And also, please remember that burning season is over on the reservation. It ended in May on the 31st. It is extremely dry. We're in red flag season for fire danger. So please refrain from doing any outside burning. And that's all I have, Mr. Chair.
Thanks, Don. I only have 2 other things to report. One is the census. When the U.S. Census Bureau comes to your door and knocks and asks you if you've filled out the forms and you haven't, please fill them out. When you don't fill them out, it directly impacts the tribe's federal dollars we receive from the federal government. So again, fill them out when they come to your door. The next item, the last item, is the election, this year's United States election. If you haven't registered, please register. Go to the Nevada State voter registration site and click on the online service and fill out the information. At this time, we only have 35% of those that were eligible to vote signed up. So please go to that site and sign up. Other than that, we just need to, as Donna was talking about, we have a spike. We need to continue moving in the direction of recovery. So please follow the safety protocols the tribe has put in place, and we'll get through this together, okay? Thank you and have a good evening.